Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's problem is to count digits in a number. So let's say some number is given to you and you will have to say how many digits are present in that number. So for example, n equals to 125. So how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So the answer will be 3. And let's take some other example, 1, 3, 5, 2 maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 digits. So the answer will be 4. So the question is pretty straightforward and it's very simple to understand. So before getting into the approach, let me ask you a simple question. Let me ask you a simple question, that is, if I give you a number, let's say I'm giving you 125. 125 I am giving you. And I'm saying, can you remove the last digit by using some operation, or by doing some operation you will have to remove this last digit? Can you do that? Of course you will be able to do, but how? Can I say that 125, if it is divided by 10, it will give 12? Basically it will remove the last digit. But bro, you'll be saying, bro, no, it doesn't happen like that, because when we divide 125 divided by 10, it will basically give 12.5. So this decimal point comes here. But bro, what I'm saying, don't consider this like I'm going to take the integer part of this. So if I take the integer part, 125 divided by 10, it will be 12.5. If I take the integer part, it will be only 12, right? Okay, so let's check this same thing with some other example. Let's say 2578. So 2578 divided by 10, it will be 257.8. But if I take the integer value 257, so what I basically did, I removed this digit, right? I removed this digit. So you got to know that how to remove a digit from a number. And can I say that using this operation we will be able to solve this question? You'll be wondering like how, like removing digits and counting the digits, like how is it even related? But I am saying, bro, it is related. How? Let me show you. Wait a second. Let me just erase this. Okay, so I am saying like how many digits you will be able to remove from this number. You will be able to remove this, right? The digits will be 257, and you will be able to remove this. The digits will be 2, 5. You will be able to remove this. The digits will be 2. You will be able to remove this. What is the answer? Let's check. Like 2 divided by 10, it will be 0.2. So basically 0. So it will be 0. So how many operations you had to do, like to convert this number to 0, basically to remove all the digits? How many operations you had to do? You had to do 1, 2, 3, 4 operation. So that's how you are going to solve this problem. I think you got the intuition, and you got like how you'll be approaching this problem. So you will basically, like, let me just write a simple pseudocode of this. Let's say the number is n equals to 125, and I'm actually going to change this number in a loop, and I'm going to remove the last digit of the number, right? And I'm going to check how many times the loop is running. So let me write something like int temp. I'm using a temp because this is a temporary variable. This will be changing, like in each iteration it will be changing. So I'm not manipulating this n. Let's say if I have to use this n later on in some program, so I don't want to change n, so I have to change temp. So I actually put this n into a temp, and I'm going to do some operation in this temp, and I'm going to get the answer. So let's say the answer first of all is, or let's say count. Let's say count is 0, right? So I'm going to wait a second. Okay, so I'm going to run a while loop. What will be the condition of this while loop? So like when you will be removing the digit when temp is greater than 0, because the moment it becomes 0 you won't be able to remove any digits. That means all the digits are removed already, right? So if it is greater than 0, that means there is some digits, so what we are going to do, okay, temp equals to temp divided by 10, right? Temp equals to 10 divided by 10. What is happening here? It's actually removing one digit from temp, right? And keep on like doing this. Let's say it was 125. When it is going into the loop for the first time, it will remove this, so it will be 12. 12 is greater than 0, of course, yes. So it will go again into this loop, and then it will be removing 2. 1 is greater than 0, yes. Then it will be removing this also, and you will be left with 0. 0 is greater than 0, no. So at this time you will be breaking out. So how many iterations did the loop make? 1, 2, 3. So basically we have to count the iterations, right? So we will be doing something like count equals to previous count plus 1. That's it. That's it, and you got the answer in the count. And just print count, and this is the answer. So this is a simple code. See, the basic concept is how many times you will have to remove the digits to convert that number into 0. Basically, to remove all the digits, how many steps you will have to do. So let's write the code for this. Int n, we will be taking the input and then placing the n into a temp variable. While temp is greater than 0, we will be changing the temp and we will be removing the last digit. Now this is equivalent to temp is equal to temp divided by 10. Okay, so yeah, that's all about it. And we have to count how many times the loop is running. So I'll be giving something like count plus plus. So how many ever times the loop is running, the count will be increased. So that's it, and you got the answer. So total digits or total number of digits are count. Let's run this. Let's say I'm giving 125 only, and I'm checking how many digits are there. Total number of digits are there, sorry, 3. Okay, let's say something like 2 3 4 1 2 5 2 3 4. So total 6 digits. So total 6 digits are there. Okay, total number of digits are 6. So that's it for the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and until next time, see ya.